Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we are cracking open a review you sent us on a pretty viral puzzle app, Drop Domino 2048.
Hmm.
And our mission is simple, really. Is this game a real way to make some cash? Or is that promise just, a lure?
It's the perfect question. This kind of app is aimed right at the learner persona, someone looking for that quick, easy shortcut to earning something.
A side hustle.
Exactly. But right away, the source material suggests there's a huge gap between what you expect and what you actually get.
The source basically asks, point blank, real cash or total scam?
Right.
Okay, so let's start with the hook, because the reviews are maybe surprisingly pretty positive about the game itself.
They are, yeah. It's a 2048-style merge puzzle, and by all accounts, it works really well.
They describe the gameplay as smooth and colorful. The puzzle part is actually, fun.
And it has to be. That's the foundational layer. The game mechanics have to be satisfying enough to keep you tapping.
To keep you engaged.
Right, but engage and progressing toward what exactly? That's the real question.
Okay, so here's where things take a turn. The moment you look at the money-making side of it, the source says the whole system just falls apart.
It does. The reviewers are pretty blunt that the app seems built for one thing, and it's not paying users.
It's to get you to watch ads.
That's it. And what's really fascinating is the total lack of proof. The core finding is there's almost no solid proof that anyone is successfully cashing out real money.
It's not just that it's slow, it's that it might not happen at all.
It's a foundational failure to deliver on the main promise.
So how do they actually stop you? How do they make sure you watch the ads but never get the withdrawal?
Well, if we zoom out a bit, we see this systemic pattern in almost all of these so-called cash games. At first, the game makes you feel like you're winning big.
Yeah, the virtual cash is flowing in.
Right. But the sources point to two big roadblocks. First, the payout thresholds themselves are just unrealistically high.
And the second roadblock is a bit more tricky, right? This is the payout trap.
Precisely. This is where it gets really clever, in a way. So users will report that they get to about, say, 99% of the cash-out target.
You need $100 and you hit $99.98 really fast.
Exactly that. And right at that point, the amount of cash you earn per merge just plummets. It drops exponentially.
So you go from earning like 50 cents to...
Less than 1,000th of a penny, the balance just stalls. It completely freezes.
It's an engineered cap. You're putting in all this time watching all these ads, but that balance will literally never tick over to that final $100 goal.
And that's not all. The reviews also mention that for the very few people who think they are getting close, suddenly the rules change, or new requirements just appear out of nowhere.
Wow.
It's all designed to keep you playing, but never, ever paying.
So what does this all mean for you if you're looking for that shortcut? I think the final word from the source is pretty clear. Drop Domino 2048 might be a legit game.
As in, it functions, it's entertaining.
Right. But it is not a reliable way to make money. The advice is simple. Treat it like a game, not a paycheck.
And the knowledge nugget here for you is to just be critical. Whenever you see these games promising money, you should probably assume the fun gameplay is just a mask for an ad revenue model.
One that uses these unrealistic, shifting payout rules to keep you hooked.
That stalling balance is a classic tell.
Okay, so that leads to a final thought for you to ponder. Since the developer's goal here is just to maximize ad views, they have to make sure you never actually hit that payout. So you have to wonder, what kind of algorithms are they using to manipulate the game? How do they control the tile drops to make sure you get stuck at $99.98 forever? Something to think about.